Vector artwork has become the standard for graphic design. It's also the type of file that we need for doing things like vinyl and laser cutting. Now, one of the most common uses for vector software is to do image tracing, and this is where you take an image and convert it from pixels to lines. So let's go ahead and pull up our image, and we're doing a Google search. We're going to do Chattanooga Public Library. And then let's go to images. And when we're looking through here, we want to avoid things like photographs. That's going to give us way too much detail, way too much information to use. So let's put another word in here. We'll go with logo to help narrow down our search. It's not going to show us the size, but I know from experience that that's going to be a really small image. And so over here is one that's going to work out a lot better for us. So if I long press, save image. Now we need to open up another tab and search for Photopia. And we're going to look down in the center, and instead of new project, we want to open from computer. And we'll navigate to where we saved our image search. At the top, we want to click Image, Vectorize Bitmap. We can see the before and after, add all the colors and see what that looks like. So got a little blurry. Now let's drag it all the way to the left. So not quite enough color information. So let's take that up to 3 and see if it fills it in. So that's getting better. Let's start taking away some settings. Take off reduce noise. That starts to look good. And once we take off segmentize, that's looking great. So let's go with that. Hit OK. And now we don't have to do anything else in this program right now. In the top left, we'll go to File. Export as. SVG. And now we can take away some settings. We shouldn't have any raster graphics, so we can take that off. And I'm not sure what Pretty Print does, so let's just take that off as well. We can leave the layer names, and everything else should be good. So we'll save and download. Now we'll open up yet another tab. And this time we're going to search for Gravit. And this is another vector web app, but this one's going to be much easier to work with our lines because it's designed for mobile or desktop or really any platform. So we'll open from computer, and now we have to find that SVG. The first thing I want to do is double check that our lines are looking good. If we go up to View, Outline View, we can see our lines there. So we go to, up at the top, we'll click View again, toggle full screen, and now we can see that our lines are very clean. This should cut well, and we can select the different pieces of artwork. So that means we have full control over this vector file. Having a quick and free process for image trace means that there are fewer barriers to getting our project started.